Welcome back. In the second episode of our series on the importance of maps in novels, we are focusing on how maps engage readers and clarify complex plot points. Let's delve into why maps are a valuable tool for both readers and writers alike. A map invites readers to participate more actively in the world-building process. They can track journeys, understand geopolitical dynamics, and anticipate plot developments based on geography. Have you ever used a map to predict plot twists in a story? Share your experiences in the comments. In genres like high fantasy or science fiction, where complex plots are common, maps help clarify important detail. They serve as a reference point, making it easier to follow alliances, conflicts, and character movements. Was there a time when a map helped you understand a complex plot better? Let us know. Maps can also provide cultural and historical context, showcasing different regions' architectural styles or landmarks. This adds another layer of depth, making the fictional world feel more authentic. How does including cultural or historical elements on a map enhance your understanding of the story's world? In our final video, we'll explore the marketing potential of maps and their role in adaptations. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Thank you. Understand geopolitical dynamics and anticipate. Okay, yeah. It's anticipate. No, it isn't. And anticipate. Plate. Mike, it doesn't exist. Plate. Was there a time where a map helped you?
Your phone's ringing.
Hello? Yes? Are you still there? Okay, thank you. Bye.